How to use CADSymbols. Welcome. In this video, we'll take a quick look at CADSymbols, the comprehensive 2D and 3D symbol library. CADSymbols includes an extensive library of professionally created 2D and 3D symbols across mechanical, architectural, electrical, and piping design categories. Each library contains thousands of ready-to-use parts. You can select standard, chapter, and library of your own choice. I am selecting Architectural Desktop 2006 here and Structural Design from Chapter. Let's explore this. Let's explore TurboCAD 2025 Professional. You can easily move symbols and change its dimensions. You can save symbols in different formats and open in your desired interface. Here I am saving in JPEG form. You can simply open saved symbol in any interface. I am opening it in MS Word. For international teams, CADSymbols is fully multilingual. Switching languages is instant and changes the entire interface. Symbols are imported cleanly and ready for direct editing or integration into your drawing. I'm viewing symbol from the top, right, and isometric view to understand its overall geometry and proportions. Imported 3D symbols are fully renderable in your chosen design software. Here I am choosing metal and further brass for render.
Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.